Hello kids and welcome back. We were editing our sprites and making some new ones. So let's see some more tools here. After eraser we have that is called brush. With the brush tool I can draw anything I want. Alright. So I can draw anything I want. It is a free tool and from here it has the properties, the color, the outline, and then we have the brush size as well. I can decrease the brush size and you see the line has become very thin. From eraser I can erase all the thing I want to erase. I just have to erase it. It will erase all the thing, not the whole thing but the thing we want to erase. Alright. So with the brush tool I can do all my drawings. And if I have a closed shape, let's say I'm going to create a closed shape here. Let's see what we can do. Can we fill it? It is filled. We can choose a different color and fill it. It fills. We just have to bring our bucket here, the fill tool, and it will fill the color wherever we point it. Alright. Next we have text tool. With the text tool we can write something. Let's say AI and robotics. Okay, so I have got it. I can make it smaller from sides, bigger, and if I am going to double click on it, it is selected and I can see the properties here. One of the properties is if I want to change the uh, font. Okay, I can change the font as I want. We don't have many options here like other things. Okay, I can change the color. All right, from the selection tool I'm going to bring it here. Okay, so now we have two options here, two things here. One is something written and one is this circle that we made. Actually we tried to make, and we have some properties here, forward and backwards. If I am going to click backwards, you see it is gone behind that circle. And if I am going to click on forward, it is bringing it in the front. So what we have here, we can see here, and to front and to back. So if we have three things, let's say I want to take this one as well. So we have three things here. Okay, I'm going to change the color of my writing so we can see the difference. Okay, so this is thing one. If I am going backward, it is bringing it all right. And if I want to bring it to back, it is going back one by one step, forward and back. And this is forward one step, this is forward two step, three steps, until it becomes, because there are not only one thing here, there are many things, these are grouped. Or actually I'm just going to make another circle here so we don't get confused. I'm going to just bring it here, bring this one here, and now we have this circle, this one. Okay, so you can see now. Let's examine these forward, to front, to back, behind everything, front, in front of everything. Going back one step ahead, it is still in the front of the red thing. I'm just going to have to click it until it goes back. and now it is gone back because there are many steps here included in these two objects. So that's how we arrange the things as we want to arrange. Something is coming in the back, something is going in the front. That's all for today. See you in the next module. Bye bye now.